Bloom Nutrition built a $400 million brand. And right now, while you're watching this, they have 210 Facebook ads running at the exact same time. These are ads like features and benefits images, UGC creative videos, ingredient breakdowns, unboxing content. Every single format that you can think of, Bloom has it running on volume. But none of this is actually down to luck. The whole thing runs on a system. And there's actually one format in their rotation that's quietly outperforming everything else. So by the end of this video, you know exactly how to build Bloom's creative engine, even if it's just you and a laptop. But first, you need to understand who Bloom is, because this whole operation didn't start with a $400 million budget. You see, Bloom started in 2018 by a lady called Mary and her now husband, Greg. Mary had just gone through a 90-pound fitness transformation and was posting it daily on Instagram. Greg was also obsessed with digital marketing, so he started running Facebook ads behind her transformation posts to drive followers to her account. And as more people followed her, they started asking how they could get a similar transformation themselves. So Mary and Greg cranked out PDF workout guides on the uni laptops and sold them through DMs with PayPal links. But then 8 years later, that same instincts for high volume direct response is now powering a $500 million brand with 210 live ads and counting. If you actually look at the ad rotation right now, you'll see and understand their system. A big chunk is features and benefits image ads. These contain clean stats that highlight what's in the formula and why someone should care about Bloom Nutrition. Another big slice of the ads portfolio is ingredient education content. They have walkthroughs of why certain ingredients are in there and what makes Bloom taste different. They also have unboxing content, daily routine UGC, explainer videos breaking down the science behind Bloom. And then every format that already converts on Meta in 2026, they're executing this at scale. But the move that most brands miss isn't the ads themselves, it's where they're sending all that traffic. Most brands send all the ad traffic to just one product and hope it converts. But Bloom does the opposite. They actually send it across multiple product categories. They have greens, pre-workout, whey protein, hydration sticks, and they're all getting traffic at the same time. Now, the reason they do this is simple. Returning customers are where their real profit actually lives. Because once someone's tried their greens, upselling them on the pre-workout costs almost nothing in customer acquisition. So Bloom's website is actually built around that loop. They have email pop-ups, subscribe and save options, a loyalty club, and then offers tied to repeat purchases. Every touch point pushes lifetime value and average order value a lot higher. And this is where the strategy actually gets pretty serious. Bloom is now in over 15,000 retail locations across the US. These are spots like Walmart, Target, Whole Foods, GNC, and is still expanding. So when a TikTok ad hits someone's feed and they don't buy that day, that's fine, because Bloom's product is also sitting on a shelf they'll probably walk past 2 days later at the grocery store. But the move that gets the least credit actually might be Bloom's most important strategy, because TikTok Shop is where Bloom's power move lives. They actually started by mastering Amazon early on for sales velocity, but then they saw the same opportunity on TikTok Shop the moment it launched in the US. They then went hard and built a 54,000 creator affiliate army around it. That's literally 54,000 content creators promoting their products on TikTok. Back in 2024, a strategic partner called Nutrabolt put $19 million into Bloom for a minority stake. Then by September 2025, they actually doubled down and took a majority position. Their total investment is now around $210 million. This shows that Bloom is a $500 million operation with real institutional backing behind it, not a social media brand just riding a trend. Forbes actually reported that Bloom's 2026 revenue is on track to clear $500 million in total. And Greg, the co-founder of Bloom, summed it up himself on a recent podcast. So earlier I mentioned a secret ad format that's killing it on socials right now. And the ad format is a creator style UGC content, where you have a content creator, a real person, talking to camera. This style of content drives TikTok Shop and keeps those 54,000 affiliates referring customers to Bloom daily. Also, this type of content is easy to scale because the format reads as if you're speaking to a friend that's recommending something to the viewer. So it doesn't feel like a brand trying to sell you something. So many brands are hopping on this trend because they understand just how powerful it is. But let's say say you or I wanted to start our own e-commerce stores. The problem that we have is that we can't hire 54,000 content creators. But that's where things have completely changed in 2026, because you don't actually need that many content creators anymore. The same creative volume that used to need a full creative department is now something a solo founder can produce from just a laptop. And the platform doing this best right now is Creatify. It's built specifically for the kind of high volume ad creation that Bloom is shipping every week. And the reason it fits a video like this is because it covers every format in Bloom's rotation from one workspace. Creatify's AdFlow feature is very simple. All that you do is drop in a product URL or just type a one-liner like create me a 10-second UGC ad for my product. And then AdFlow's Copilot takes it from there. Now, when it comes to AdFlow's Copilot, it's actually quite different from every other AI ad tool out there. That's because it doesn't just build, it actually thinks first. It reads your brief, picks a creative angle, writes the scene by scene copy, and tells you why it made those choices. And again, it's super simple. You do all of this just inside a chat window before a single asset gets generated. You can easily edit and push back on it. You can change the hook, adjust the tone, add another scene. You're just iterating on the plan in the chat until it's right. Then when you confirm, it lays out the entire pipeline for you on a single canvas. And if you do want to get more hands-on, the canvas is right there because it's fully editable. Now your whole workflow can become an asset because you can stop rebuilding ads from scratch every single time you want to refine something. Creatify also has ready-made templates inside its platform. So you want to plug your product into an ad format that's already proven on TikTok or Meta, you can literally do it in just a few clicks. You can access unboxing formats, daily routines, and so many more formats and hooks that are popping off on social media. And that's exactly how a two-person brand can start looking like a Bloom-style $500 million operation in terms of creative output, even if the team behind it just fits in literally one room. You can actually get 10 free credits to test Creatify right now. Just use the sign up link below and in the description. Remember, Bloom didn't build a $500 million brand by finding just one perfect ad. They built a system. They had an ad factory that ships every format at volume. Then they built a funnel around that lifetime value, which created a retail footprint that backed it up, allowing them to have access to 54,000 TikTok creators that keep their whole system turning. So use Creatify to build your system. I'm Sen from Creatify. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below which case studies you want to see next.